everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is first day of start. So I have to reach there 8:20 and I'm on the way. So let's see what will happen today. Woo. Guys, this is today's weather and thank God just now stopped raining. So now I reached near the office. Actually morning 8:20 I came here in office. But madam is not in a office and they told me you can come on 10 o'clock because today madam having some work and she will reach in the office 10 o'clock. So now it's at 10 o'clock and I'm going. Okay, let's go inside and we'll see madam is there or not. Anyway, this is office and if anybody wants to ask Taj then you can come here. It is in Naviti Susan. Okay, office work is done and they given paper. This is a today's plan and start from 12 o'clock. So let's go and see what will happen today. Okay, then I will see you after a few minutes. Now I'm on the way and I think it will take 20 minutes. Oh, here lots of flowers. This is the house where I have to go inside. Let's go. Okay, so I already came inside there the door, but the person who is working with me is not came yet, so I have to wait for a few seconds and then go inside. Okay, this is lunch time and I'm going back to home. Sorry guys, our first one is not possible to show you all, but it's okay. Which is possible, then I will try to show you all. So guys, which I'm doing start is not the old age house, it's a private home, so little bit difficult to take inside video, but it's okay. If they allow then I will show you all. So again I have to go for the walk and right now I'm in a booth. So they both are Vietnamese and Madam Madeline is very good and very kind. She is working with me right now and she will explain everything. Again we came another house. Let's go inside. Okay. She talk a lot but she is very cool and calm, little bit funny also, so it's nice. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Bonne journée. So this is another day and another house. They having a beautiful and cute dog. It's so cute. Now we are going to shop because she needs to buy some food items and we are going. C'est clean, hein? Regarde. C'est clean. Oh, là, il y a un petit peu.
Voilà, parce qu'en fait,
On peut
très sensible.
Donc on va par là ou par là?
Là-bas.
Oh, il va par là-bas.
Je vais voir. Mais ça, c'est ma
Allez.
verdure. Elle va pas jouer sur ça.
Attends.
선생님, 저기 인도디 와서. 뭐뭐
Attends, j'en mets du journaux, je mets du scotch pour pas que ça j'en ai pas aussi ça cassé.
Now shopping is done and we are waiting for the payment. Today is my shopping day. Just kidding. Actually, we need to do shopping for those people who are not able to walk. So I came here now. I'm searching my sister because she is doing here for the stash. Oh, she's here doing something. We'll see what she's doing. Wow, she's doing very nice. Busy girl. 유연이 굽주는 내가 지금 지금 어디 있을 거야? 그래. 내가 야구 쇼지를 시키. 팀배 오 자스기야 두야 말해. So guys, that's all for the stash video. Actually, I did 3 weeks stash and I went lots of houses, but it's not easy to take camera everywhere and shoot. You know, some places are not allowed also. So how much I can, I took little shots and collect all together. It's only for you all, so I hope you all like it. If you like, then please do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So please guys, subscribe, it's free. So see you soon, take care and peace.